You carefully choose 20 good dividend stocks for your self-directed trading account that will grow in price and provide you with an average dividend return of 6%. If one or two slip temporarily below the price you paid for them, this is tolerable. The remaining stocks in your portfolio will show capital gains that more than offset the possibility of a capital loss in the total portfolio. A good stock to own is a share in a company that is profitable enough to pay a dividend over 3.5%, has a book value is high or higher than the share value, a low price to earnings ratio, has analysts recommending it as a buy, and trades more than 100,000 shares daily. Your effort is directed to finding those few stocks that come as close to meeting this profile as possible. The scoring software that comes with the books helps in this search. This slide shows the input screen for finding stocks for you to consider. To reach it, you sign into your web broker account. You choose Research from the menu at the top of the page. This brings up another menu where you select Screeners. Up will come a screen that looks like this slide. You choose the selectors you want to use, and then within the selectors, choose the criteria you wish to include in your search. The first criteria that was chosen in this example was operating margin. The minimum operating margin was set at 17% and was left at the maximum. When it searched through all the stocks in Canada and the United States, it found 1,120 who qualified. When you set the dividend selector at 5.9% and the maximum at 10%, 972 qualified. The stock price of $2.43 to $30.65 identified 6,684 possibilities. The final selector excluded all the U.S. stocks in the search, leaving 65 Canadian stocks that met all the criteria. At the bottom of the page, the 65 are identified by name. A selector button on the right allows you to get the in-depth information from the overview page. You need that to score these 65 stocks. Some of you will be able to eliminate without having to score them because they may be industries you wish to stay away from, or they may be preferred shares which you know will score badly. The overview page shows where you will find the 9 information items you will need to enter in your free stock scoring software to calculate a stock score. They are the last price the stock traded at, the average number of stocks traded daily, the number of analysts that rated this stock a buy, the number of analysts that rated the stock a strong buy, the dividend yield percent, the book value of the stock, the price to earnings ratio of the stock, the operating margin of the stock, the price the stock was trading at 4 years ago. Although you enter only 9 facts into the stock scoring software, there are 11 calculations that the software automatically makes. The additional 2 are current price to the stock's price 4 years ago, and the book price compared to the current stock price. This slide is a clearer display of the top of an overview page. This is a clearer display of the bottom of an overview page. This is a slide displaying the historical price chart where you can find the stock price 4 years ago. It also shows all the historical dividend payments and the date they were paid.